Welcome guys to trevlyngh GH. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Linda.
And we're here today to showcase you a property located in Adenta, Frafraha, on Adenta Dodo Road. And what we are right here is a 4-bedroom home available for both sales and for rentals. Check the details in the description box below. Now, for those of you who watch us, we have over 80% of you guys watching that you haven't yet subscribed. Guys, subscribe. Hit the notification button. It helps us to grow our audience and be able to give to you great content. Yes. So with that said, let's get into it. Wow, this is such a great space here. Huge living area. You've got here your front door, just here. You've got good sized windows to the left and to the right. You fix your TV up here. You have your sofas right there, guys. This is a good opportunity for you to invest or to move your family over here. Downstairs here is another bedroom. Now this bedroom is a really good size. Again, you can fix your TV here. You have your ensuite shower room, so if you've got elderly parents, someone of a visitor or a guest that has issues with their knees or something along those lines, they can come and visit. Let's enter into the kitchen. Now this kitchen is really nice. I mean, look at the cabinet spaces that you have over here. You have cabinet space here, here, here. You're gonna have the microwave here, the oven here, your double American fridge freezer here, more storage space here. You're gonna have your 5-burner hob right here, more storage space here and here. And then you've got over here some more larder space, which is good storage space right here. You'll have your hot water heater there. So without further ado, guys, let's head back in and you're gonna see the downstairs washroom. I think the downstairs washroom is so good, such a great size. So you'll be able to pop in here and have a look and see how sizable the guest washroom is. Now, without further ado, let's head upstairs and let me show you to my colleague. Look at the height of the ceilings over here. I like the little space that they've put here, but you are gonna have a little balustrades. Look at these balustrades, stainless steel balustrades with glass fitted over here. Stairs have been done with marble and so forth. Without further ado, guys, I'm handing you over to my lovely colleague.
Hi guys, so we're upstairs now. As you can see, there is a second family room. So make this what you choose. You can have it as a family area, games room, a little den, and it opens up to a lovely terrace space. Come and have a look out here. This is nice. So you can put some chairs, a table, have a little think, yes you can, or something to drink even. Come through and we'll go straight across. I'm gonna take you actually to the primary bedroom. So we come to the primary bedroom, have a look, more than enough space for you here. You can put your wardrobes to the back or to the side. You've got connections already for a fan, your AC, lovely windows to either side over there. Just a lovely space for you. And to put your touch on it, and have a look here, even more space for wardrobe. So you've got a little walk-in wardrobe area here which you can utilize too. And I love what they've done here with the black sinks, WC, a black WC, and a huge space for your shower. Lovely. So we'll go straight across. There are 2 more bedrooms left on this level. Right, so a bedroom here. Again, nicely lit, all the connections you need. Also has spotlights and ensuite. So all the bedrooms have their own shower. This is quite unique, isn't it? Ooh, very flashy. Sink, WC, and similarly, the other bedroom next door has the same. Okay, so we have a quick look at that. Also again, very bright. Another ensuite over there. Enough space for your wardrobe. You can have your bed there, TV connections. So everything that you need here, and the ceiling height are very high. Now, what I should say is we are just about 30 minutes from Accra Mall and about 35 minutes from the Kotoka International Airport. So it's not too far as well. So if you want to get to Abri is just on the opposite side. So there's parallel roads here. It's a Bree Road and it will take you straight there. It's not far away. You have lovely schools, international schools. You've got a good school called Ivy International School, which is 2 minutes away drive. And the other international school is about 10 to 15 minutes away also. So it's quite a nice location for you. You're just literally on the Adenta-Dodwa Road, just off of there, so you don't have to go down any dirt roads to get to your house. So let's go outside. Well, there you have it, guys. We've come to the end of this property tour. Hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have.
Yes, I've loved it.
Yes. So don't forget, this is a great investment. Lovely family home. Like we said, it's only about 35 minutes from the international airport. Close to schools, great land space. And what else can we say about it? It's just get your hands on it. It's the last one remaining, to be fair. Good price. Check out the details in the description box below. And please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out what trevlyngh Ghana has to offer you in the future. Until next time.
Take care of yourselves.
And each other.
Bye.